Hi guys, today we're going to show you how to fix damaged gel coat. So we have some gel coat damage right here, probably happened from the trailer. So you want to match the color, and that's shown on another video that we've done. But you have to kind of assess it. Now it looks like it's not very deep and it's not structural, so we're just dealing with gel coat here. You want to just sand the surface. I'm using 80 grit. You can also use a Dremel. In small spots, I usually use a Dremel. Wipe with some acetone. Here's the gel coat I mixed. It's a little thin, and because it's such a large fill, I'm going to add some Cabasil, and that will thicken it up so it won't run. I don't normally use the Cabasil, but for this situation I will. So this is what Cabasil looks like. So I've taken a bit out of my main mixture here, and this will be my first fill. It's going to be at least a couple of fills. So I'll just take a little bit of this Cabasil and put it in here. A little bit more. Mix it up. Okay, so it's no longer runny. And now we're ready to put it on. So this gel coat has no air dry in it, so we want to add air dry and the catalyst. There's the air dry. It's a clear liquid, so I'm just going to pour a little bit in the lid and pour from there, so you don't want to put too much in. That's good. And then the catalyst, also clear liquid. Mix it up. Okay, I see there's a little crack right here. So I'm going to have to grind that out because I can't just go over it. So I have to do that quickly because I have a catalyst in my gel coat. Now we're ready to apply the gel coat. So I'm just using a coffee stir stick, and I made another one. I just sharpened the end for the little areas where we need some detail. So I'm just dabbing it on there. You just want to build up the thickness. So that's our first coat all done. We wait for it to cure and then we'll chisel and add another coat. Now we're just chiseling off the high spots and then we'll put some more gel coat on. This is our second coat of gel coat, so no Cabosil in this mixture. And we're just going to use the putty knife to make it smooth and even. After that second coat cured, we just wet sanded and polished it, and this is how it turns out. I just missed it when he was doing it, so I couldn't film it that time.